Hello everyone, welcome back to my page. My name is Love P. Please, if today is your first time, please kindly follow this page, like this video, and share, please guys. Okay guys, let me show you guys how I created this a very simple look. First of all, I use a gel to slip off my brows. Later on, I use powder to dry the. So guys, I use a powder to dry my eyebrow. Later I use my face primer. You can get the face primer in any shop. The golden one, I bought it in an AliExpress. Is very good, and it's good anyway. The eye primer is good. Later I use my foundation. The foundation I use is from Revolution. No, it's from Juvia. This foundation I use today is from Juvia's. I love Juvia's foundation. But that is my best product. I love two products. I love Revolution and Juvia. That is my best foundation. I love. Okay, that after that, make sure that you blend your foundation on your skin. Let it enter your skin very well. After using the brush, I use a beauty blender. This beauty blender, before you apply it on your face, you have to wet it with water, and later use it a foundation. Use it to tap your back of your back, anything that you put your foundation. Use it to tap it so that the foundation will blend into your skin very well and blend your foundation very smooth. And later the Juvia's concealer I use two concealer on this video. As you can see, I use Juvia's and the Revolution. Yes guys, that is my best foundation I have. Not too cost, not too expensive. That is why it's not that expensive. It's not that expensive. Okay guys, if you really know how to do your makeup, not by apply, not by buying expensive makeup. Even the concealer, the contour I use is from Revolution. Is from Revolution too. The same product is from Revolution. Just blend the contour on your skin very well. Okay guys, after doing that, I just continue to blend the contour of my skin, and using my brush, using a 4-corner shade brush. That is what I'm using. And I use a Revolution bronzer, the same thing, dry powder. Okay, it's called bronzer. You can use it. I use it on my, use it as a dry powder to dry the contour. I use the foundation I used before. After doing that, I use the same contour to on my nose. Okay, it's the same contour I use on my nose. After doing that, and I use the same brush I used to blend my foundation, to blend the foundation, and I use the same brush to blend everything together, because I don't like when I'm seeing my face under my eye. You will have the foundation will be going one side, the contour will be going one side. No, I like everything to be, you can still see it, but I like everything to be blend together. Okay, that is how I love my makeup. After using that, I use a brush. This is brush from Revolution. This brush is very orange. I love using this color. If you notice it, since I've been doing makeup on my page, I always like to use this color because it's more suited. It suits my face. That is why I love using it. After doing makeup, do the foundation and the setting powder before my legs. Okay, if you really know how to do your makeup, you don't need to do your foundation. You don't need to do your lid before your foundation. Okay, if you know how to do your makeup, okay, you don't need to do your foundation first. You don't need to do your lid first before your foundation. There's a different way people do makeup. Okay, and I love this way. Okay guys, I love this way. I love to use the foundation, do my foundation first before the lid. I use a concealer, Revolution concealer. That is what I use. And after using that, I use a big brush. As you can see that I use about 3 brush I use to brush my concealer on top of my brows. I use the same shade I use for my concealer as my on top of my foundation because it's my shade. I use the same brush I use for my contour, the same brush I use for contour to blend it up because I want the up to be blend together. The contour powder, the contour brush is already have on dark shade, and we use it to blend it up. Everything will blend, it will blend together. You don't need to have another shade on top there. Okay, and I use the same, this palette I use, this eyeshadow palette I use is from Juvia's. Their palette is so very pigment, it's very good. Okay, I'm still for the eyeliner, I'm not used to eyeliner for now, but very soon I will know how to do the eyeliner. For now, I'm still learning, still struggle for the eyeliner. Okay, guys, as you can see, I use a brush, a powder brush. Okay, use the powder brush, a very thick one, to blend your dust, your powder. When you are blending your powder, don't blend it like this. No, just tap it. Don't drag, tap. When you are blending your powder, don't drag it, you have to tap it. Okay, guys, this same lipstick you said is on the comment section, the picture I drop, or this video, the picture I drop on my Facebook, I was seeing a lot of comment there. Oh God, love it, this lipstick is not good for you. I love this lipstick. I know I can, maybe the lipstick is not okay on my face, but very soon to be okay. Thank you guys for watching my video. May God continue to bless you all. Please guys, follow this page.